North Eastern Space Application Center NESAC mentas ngi khat artarik naitung kala Rakhe ka National Space Day ya kabal pelong ha District Library Hall ha Nongpoh. Hagani kesengi lawan bansaki daw Dr. Joram Beda ubade IAS Commissioner Bat Secretary Jong Sorkar Meghalaya ubalalong kumukongsan hagajing don ringkat u Abhilash Bharanwal DC Ribhoy badu Dr. SP Agarwal Director ke NESAC lembat kiwe-kiwe. Hakani kesengi lawan ru banya shiminta degi kena skul beper jong Ribhoy ban penchlur hakani ke program. Kawai ke bapau nam ha kate ke jing Rakhe kalong ke jing pen e space on wheels ha ke bala pen e ya ke Bosco ke pen e ki jat rocket hasun bat ki model jing ki satellite beper. Ha bakren gani ke sengi u Dr. Joram Beda ula banjur ya ke jing don kam ban wat benya ya ke sun beneng bat ula penchlur ki Samla pule ban perkhat ya ki kam ha ke liang ke teknologi hasun beneng.
This is captured for gravity assistance. Spacecraft become faster. This is what we are planning to do. We are planning re-entry. This is shuttle. NASA का shuttle होगा. Communication satellite, the weather satellite, it is from this side. Remote sensing from this, because they go up to 600 kilometers. It goes up to. So this is on the same side of the sun. ये क्या करती है पूरा इसमें क्या होता है पहले में लॉन्च करता है उसके बाद वो लाइक अलग-अलग पार्ट को अलग करके इसी का इसमें होता है बस जो कोई और काम करेगा सेकंड then we augmented it. So this is augmented SLV, augmented satellite launch vehicle. Then after that, this was the thing which is most successful, PSLV. Khuborjylla satellite launch vehicle. This is our workhorse. जितने भी हमारे remote sensing satellite है सब इससे launch होते हैं. Then this is the
can be part of India's space program. All you have to do is develop your interest in STEM. What is STEM? Science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So I'll suggest that use this program, use the exhibition which has been set up here, Circuit House, to fuel your interest in space exploration, in India's space program. Learn more about it, be curious. Today, because of our space program only, we have the world in our hands through our mobile. That we have the internet connectivity and that we have entire world's information at our disposal. So arouse your interest, fuel your interest, choose a STEM, dedicate yourself to STEM, and who knows that India's next astronaut could be sitting amongst you only.
And this is in 1975, to now landing a space probe in the south pole of the moon and also sending a probe to the sun. And mind you, these two are very, very big and very great achievements so far as space technology is concerned. India is one of the leaders so far as space technology is concerned. But amongst a few countries who are pioneers in space, we are one of the laggards, relatively. Despite that, we have been able to send a probe to the south pole of the moon, which is very difficult. And even countries like United States of America, erstwhile USSR, and now Russia, found it very difficult to land probes in moon. But the South Pole is entirely a different challenge altogether. And also, we have sent a probe which is almost touching the outer atmosphere of Sun. And this has been a very great achievement for all of us. I hope you are all aware that recently, how many of you know about the space shuttle? Space shuttle. So Americans have the space shuttle and the Russians have something called Buran. But however, the Russian space shuttle program collapsed because of lack of support by the government or an understanding by the Russian scientists that it's a waste of time and money. So they instead limited themselves to the conservative approach of the usual payload delivery systems. Well, in the civil service, we are always attending to so many subjects and we are talking, deliberating on the multifarious subjects all the time. But it's a very, very rare occasion when we get to talk. 2, 3. Okay.
So, as you are aware that Chandrayaan 3 was successfully soft landed on the moon on 23rd August 2023. That day only it was decided by Honorable Prime Minister that National Space Day should be organized every year on 23rd August. So to commemorate the day, it is decided that a month-long program should be organized entire country, in all states. Northeastern Space Applications Center has been given the responsibility by ISRO to organize events in 8 states of Northeast region as well as the West Bengal. So in Meghalaya, we are organizing this event today. We have invited many schools all across this area. I am happy to tell that more than 300 students from many schools are attending these programs. This program includes a series of lectures where we will tell the students, young students of 10th, 11th and 12th class that what is the space technology and how it can be utilized for the benefit of the humankind. We have launched, we have made that success, but then how it can help the people, and this is the main focus of today's theme. There is a quiz competition also for all the students who are attending this program, so that we should know that how much they know about the space technology and other science and technology. And also there is a space on wheels where many rocket models, then satellite models are there, and students are visiting that exhibition, and they will know that what is the different kind of rockets, what are different kind of satellites, and where we can use those satellites and rockets. Thank you.